Have you ever considered that the energy, vitality, and peace you've been searching for might already be within you, just out of reach, hidden beyond your conscious awareness? What if the key to unlocking boundless power and transcendent peace isn't found in the outer world, but rather within the very fabric of reality itself? This isn't just a fanciful idea. It's a concept supported by both ancient wisdom and modern quantum physics. They both point to the zero-point field, a hidden force that holds the keys to your limitless potential. For centuries, this field has been shrouded in mystery, whispered about by mystics, and only recently confirmed by scientific inquiry. Today, we're going to delve into the zero-point field, exploring its esoteric roots, its quantum nature, and how you can tap into it to awaken a wellspring of energy and tranquility. Stick around as we unlock the ancient secret to vitality and inner peace, the kind that transcends ordinary understanding. The notion of a universal, omnipresent energy field isn't new. It's an ancient wisdom echoed through time by mystics, sages, and philosophers who understood that the material world is merely an illusion, masking a deeper, unseen reality. In the Vedic traditions of India, this was known as Akasha, the ethereal substance from which all things emerge. In the Taoist traditions of China, it was described as Qi, the life force that flows through every living thing. Even in the Egyptian mystery schools, the idea of a hidden energy that connects all life was central to their spiritual practices. However, it wasn't until the early 20th century that Western science began to catch up with these ancient teachings. The legendary physicist Max Planck, in his groundbreaking work on quantum theory, proposed that there is a fundamental energy field at the heart of all matter, an invisible yet infinite potential. If this is making sense so far, hit that like button and drop 777 in the comments. Let's keep going. This is where the concept of the zero-point field was born in the minds of scientists. This mysterious energy was not only hidden from the masses, but was also suppressed by systems that sought to control the narrative of knowledge. The zero-point field, like the sacred wisdom of ancient times, remained largely obscured, misunderstood, and ignored by the world at large. But now, as the veil is slowly lifted, we begin to realize that this force holds the potential to reconnect us with the vitality and peace we so desperately seek. Imagine for a moment a vast invisible ocean, stretching infinitely in all directions. Every wave, every particle, every atom within this ocean is connected, vibrating with subtle energy. This is the zero-point field, a quantum sea of infinite potential that lies beneath the surface of reality. It's not bound by time or space. It exists beyond our traditional understanding of the physical world. At the quantum level, particles don't behave as solid objects, but as probabilities. It's the space where thought and reality intersect, where your consciousness can reach into the depths of the field, reshaping your own energy and the world around you. This field isn't a static, passive void. It's alive, dynamic, and constantly interacting with the thoughts, emotions, and intentions of every living being. The zero-point field holds the key to unlocking the dormant power within you, the very energy that can heal, empower, and align you with the flow of the universe. And yet, as we venture deeper into this field, we realize that its mysteries are far from fully understood. What happens when we learn to truly tap into it? What hidden forces lie beyond the threshold of our awareness? These are the questions we will soon answer. As we journey deeper into the zero-point field, we encounter paradoxes that defy conventional understanding. One of the most profound is the relationship between energy and consciousness. Quantum physics tells us that particles in the zero-point field exist in a state of potentiality, neither fully here nor fully there until observed. The mere act of observation collapses these possibilities into reality. But what does this mean for us? It suggests that our consciousness is not merely a passive observer of the world around us, but an active participant in shaping it. We are not separate from this field. We are one with it. the ancient teachings of interconnectedness suddenly find their scientific counterpart in the quantum realm. The wisdom of the mystics, the idea that we are all connected to the source of all things, now resonates with the discoveries of modern physics. However, there are still myths and misconceptions surrounding the zero-point field. Many believe that it is something external, something to be found or discovered. But the truth is far more intimate. It's already within you, woven into the very fabric of your being. It's not a distant force to be reached, but a present reality to be realized. The zero-point field is not outside the mind, but within it, awaiting the moment when we remember how to align ourselves with its energy. This realization transforms the way we perceive our own potential and the world around us. It invites us to explore the depths of our consciousness, to understand that the universe is not just a collection of separate entities, but a unified whole, interconnected and interdependent. Quick favor. Now that we've glimpsed the hidden truth of the zero-point field, the next question is, how can you tap into this vast, limitless energy in your daily life? The answer lies in conscious practices that align your mind, body, and spirit with the field's pulsating rhythm. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to access the zero-point field is through meditation, but not just any meditation. One where you focus on quieting the mind and opening yourself to the infinite energy that surrounds and permeates you. Imagine as you breathe that each inhale draws in universal energy, and with each exhale, you release all the tension, the doubt, the distractions. In this space of stillness, you create the perfect environment for the zero-point field to reveal itself. Another practice is visualization. Visualize yourself as a conduit for this energy, seeing yourself bathed in light, with the zero-point field flowing through you like a river of vitality. Picture every cell in your body vibrating with this boundless force, awakening dormant potential and infusing you with clarity, peace, and power. But remember, true alignment requires patience. The energy of the zero-point field responds to your thoughts, but it is not a force to be forced. It's a flow to be attuned to. Avoid the temptation to rush or control the experience. The key is to trust the process and allow yourself to be guided by the infinite intelligence that connects us all. As you begin to integrate these practices into your life, you'll find that the once distant states of vitality and inner peace become more accessible, more tangible, and more real. And the more you cultivate this connection, the stronger your ability to influence the field and your own reality. The zero-point field is not a distant, unreachable force. Rather, it is the very essence of existence woven into the fabric of your being. It holds the power to transform your life, to ignite the dormant energy within, and to bring you into profound alignment with the universe itself. By understanding and tapping into this invisible field, you begin to transcend the limitations of the physical world, unlocking the vitality and inner peace that have always been yours to claim. The journey is not one of discovery, but of remembrance, remembering that you are part of something far greater, an energy that flows through and connects all things. As you move forward, ask yourself, what if the power you seek is already within you, waiting to be awakened? What will you do when you truly realize that the key to unlocking infinite energy is held by your very consciousness? The zero-point field offers an invitation, a call to return to the source. Will you answer? To delve deeper into this concept, consider the implications of living in a universe where everything is interconnected. This interconnectedness implies that every action, thought, and emotion has a ripple effect, influencing the zero-point field and consequently the reality we experience. This understanding empowers us to take responsibility for our inner state, knowing that our personal energy contributes to the collective consciousness. By aligning with the zero-point field, we not only enhance our own lives, but also contribute to the greater harmony of the world. In practical terms, this means cultivating awareness and mindfulness in our daily interactions. It involves recognizing the energy we bring into each moment and choosing to act from a place of love, compassion, and understanding. When we align our intentions with the harmonious flow of the zero-point field, we become co-creators of a reality that reflects our highest aspirations. This is not just a personal journey, but a collective one, where each individual's awakening contributes to the evolution of humanity as a whole. The zero-point field also invites us to explore the boundaries of our perception. It challenges us to question the limitations we impose on ourselves and to embrace the infinite possibilities that exist beyond our current understanding. By expanding our consciousness, we open ourselves to new insights, creative solutions, and transformative experiences. This expansion is not about escaping reality, but about deepening our connection to it, seeing the world with fresh eyes and an open heart. As we continue to explore the zero-point field, we discover that it is not a static concept, but a dynamic process of unfolding potential. It invites us to engage with life fully, to embrace both the challenges and the joys as opportunities for growth and transformation. In this way, the zero-point field becomes a guiding force, leading us toward a more authentic and fulfilling existence. In conclusion, the zero-point field is a profound concept that bridges the gap between ancient wisdom and modern science. It offers a framework for understanding the interconnectedness of all things and the limitless potential that resides within each of us. By tapping into this field, we awaken to our true nature and align with the universal flow of energy that sustains and nurtures all life. This journey of awakening is both personal and collective, inviting us to remember our place in the grand tapestry of existence and to live in harmony with the world around us. As we embrace the zero-point field, we unlock the door to a life of vitality, peace, and infinite possibility.